Audio Jungle.
What's up guys, I've been Alexa here, and again I'm back with another YouTube video. For those of you who are new to this channel, we always talk about tech guys, and in today's video we're gonna be talking about the iPad mini 4. As you can see, very good. We're gonna be doing a gaming review about this device. As you can see, this device was released back in 2015, if I'm not mistaken. It was released back in 2015. It packs the A8 Bionic chip. It also has a 7.9 display, and it is really good guys. As you can see, yeah, it still supports iOS 14. So, and we are live. So basically what I wanted to show you, so let's go into some settings, show you some of the specs here. Yep, show you some of the about. As you can see, this is the iPad mini 4. It is operating on iOS 14.2, probably the latest here in 2021 right now as I've recorded this video. And yep, we're gonna be testing this baby out if it can handle some pretty games. Alright, we've installed already some of the great games here. I have Call of Duty Mobile, and I also got Garena Free Fire. But for the start, let's first start with Garena Free Fire, I guess. Yep, let's start with Garena Free Fire, see what they got. Let me decrease some volume up. Yep, as you can see, the display is not that great. To be honest, it isn't that great, looking that great. But I love it. I love it already. It isn't that great, but for an old iPad like this, it was released back in 2015, so no wonder it supports such pretty games, and I love it. This is my account. I always play Garena Free Fire. For those of you who follow up my Facebook channel, my Facebook page. And yes, let's try and fast customize. We're gonna go like that. We want to attack them in style. Let's fast change some close up. Try not download anything. Things are downloading. No, we don't want to download anything. Sorry, the touch isn't that responsive. Just noticed that right now. Touch isn't that responsive, super responsive. Yep, but I'm trying to test the touch out, see if it has got some problems. But let's swear like this. Let's go like this. And let's go put on some bonds, and yep, we're good to go now. And we are going to the settings right now to see. Yeah, the brightness isn't that much because I'm trying to, if I increase the brightness it won't be that good. But anyway, let's try and put everything in ultra. Everything I need it very bright, and everything I need it in high setting, because this is a very big device for you. Sensitivity, I don't need to change anything. I always play in default. I don't change anything here. And you can see, let's try and set up a lobby. I'm not gonna play the ranked mode. As you can see, I'm at diamond 2. Well, let's go for the kill secured, just for the test out guys. This is just for the test. Gonna increase the volume for you up. Am I increasing or decreasing? Yeah. Yes, you can hear me now. Can you hear me? I don't know. But we're gonna keep the volume there. Now, why is it taking so long to start up a lobby? You know, people should be playing this game right now. Yep, it is loaded. Cristiano Ronaldo, wow, CR7. But I mean, the display, it is not displaying so good, but at least it is okay. I don't know if someone is here. Alright, they got him already. Thank you guys. Thank you bro. my god. Is that a grenade? I can't die. Can't die right now. I'm so sorry. When you go up, press. Oh my god. We're running. We're running. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get him. Trying to get him. Headshot. My hacker. No. Headshot. My god. This is so fun. I mean, come on. Get him. 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 This is so fun. I just got to headshot. Oh my god, he got a headshot. My god. Trying to get, oh my god, I get a headshot. I got the headshot. Come on, come on, headshot. Headshot. My god. I don't know why I've never got so many headshots like this. This is so amazing. As you can see, I have no problems right now with it. It is running so good. Please make sure to drop a like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Again, this is year 2021, guys. So please make sure that you drop a like and also subscribe for more content like this. We just passed 3K subscribers, guys, which is amazing. Alright guys, let's try and win this, guys. Please help me, help me, help me. Do it for the stream, please. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. My God.
Question next time, Mom.
What gun should I get this time? Look at the point.
Leon. Oh.
Where are they?
Yo.
They're coming this side. They're coming this side, guys. Be careful.
Ja, klevigt.
I'm going up.
Tema Emirs. Čakat bandieran punktnya. Думаю, что он помнит.
First blood.
Ай, ты шола, помогай, ты шола.
Double kill.
Шокс. Что ты прикидываешь? Это se komordan teki, это se komordan teki. Otekin taas ihan muuten.
Let's stay here, guys. Going anyway. Just so sorry.
Ihan, isto bra.
It's okay.
Isto bra mogutta. Sä verkligen vaiva.
Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die, please. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Please. But don't die.
Jag vill inte läsa kan
Double kill.
pillan med luitmaa. Mm? Jaddo tiento moi kuinka sipa. Jaddo tiento mo. Jon har på mikrofonen. Okej. Qui è Bove.
Facciamo buon passaporto.
Io ho detto che
Qui è Bobby.
qui è Bove.
Oh my god.
Ma buon Luca, maniera mangiare.
Can you moonwalk? Have you ever learned how to moonwalk? I can moonwalk. I can moonwalk.
Jon Jakob Klevich.
I can moonwalk. I can moonwalk like just like Michael Jackson.
Men
just like Michael Jackson.
Jego hinonen. Jego himamuhin. Glesa kwa himamuhin. Hiu para
Oh my
me.
God. Help me, help me, help me, help me, help me win
Here
this
we
guy.
go.
Oh my God, I win. I win. I
Olha,
win.
não, tá doido.